we're going to do a little movement activity and make our body into a rainstorm. So this is a really fun activity where we do some tapping, we do lots of movement, and build some energy in our body. All right, so let's start by finding some raindrops. So take your fingertips and just start to tap on your face and on your head. Notice how it feels, just to find some gentle tapping. Maybe you go slow at first. Just like the beginning of a rainstorm. And then you can start to tap a little bit faster, make your fingers go faster. Really start to move all the energy around in your face. It's like a little massage for your face. You might even go down your neck. All right, the rainstorm's getting heavier and heavier, and now it's getting really windy. So take your hands, bring them together, and start to rub, 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 rub. This is the wind. Now we're really moving the energy between our hands. Can you make it go a little faster, a little faster? All right, here comes some lightning. Clap your hands together and thunder. Tap your legs. And lightning, clap, and thunder. Tap. Keep going, lightning and thunder. And lightning and thunder. Keep your hands on your legs. Now rub your legs like the wind on your legs. So you can do this rubbing on any part of your body. You can rub your legs. Let's try rubbing your belly. Maybe take your hands, bring them behind you, rub your back. All right, here comes the rain again. So let's tap, tap, tap. And you can do this also on any parts of your body. You could do it on your shoulders, like a little shoulder massage here, down to your legs, on your arms. All right, bring your hands together. The wind is calming down. Slow down the movement of your hands. And take a deep breath in and blow out like the wind. Let's do that again. Big breath in. Slow breath out like the wind. And come back to some gentle tapping as you start to slow down the rain. And it gets slower and slower until it stops. Now close your eyes and just imagine a big rainbow is starting to appear. What colors can you see? Take a big breath in and out. Now open your eyes and let's draw a rainbow. Take one arm and reach all the way up and over. And then let's do that with the other hand. Reach up and over the other way. One more time. Make a big rainbow, big stretch. All right, other side, big stretch. You did it.